Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Awaken You, a journey to higher consciousness series. This is day 4, and today we are going to talk about something that can silently delay your spiritual awakening for years or even for decades. If you have been with me since day 1, you already know you are going deeper each day. On day 1, we had that powerful realization that you are not your thoughts. On day 2, we stepped into the role of the witness, watching without judgment. And on day 3, we tuned into your vibrational field, learning how our energy literally shapes our world. And today, in day 4, we clear the space because we can't pour fresh, pure water into a glass that is still full of mud. And yes, I have put the full playlist link in the description and pinned comment so you can catch up if you missed any days. So let's go deeper into it without any delay. What emotional baggage really is? We have all heard the term emotional baggage, but what does it really mean? It's not just a catchy phrase. It's the unprocessed energy of your past, such as your pain, anger, guilt, shame, resentment, that is stored in your mind, body, and your energy field. You might think you have moved on, but have you noticed how a certain song, a smell, or even a random street can suddenly pull you back into an old memory? That's emotional baggage whispering, I am still here. And here is a story from my own life. Let me take you back to a chapter of my life I rarely talk about. There was a time when I thought I had forgiven someone who hurt me deeply. I told my friends, it's in the past. I am over it. But one afternoon, many years later, I saw their photo on social media and my body reacted before my mind could. My stomach tightened, my jaw clenched, and my heart raced. And that was my wake-up call. I realized forgiveness in my mind had happened, but the wound in my energy field was still alive. And this is why emotional baggage is so sneaky, because sometimes you think you have healed, but your body and soul know otherwise. So why it blocks your awakening? Awakening is about presence, clarity, and openness. But emotional baggage is like a fog on your inner window. No matter how beautiful the sunrise, you won't see it clearly until you clean the glass. So carrying these unprocessed emotions drains your energy, keeps you stuck in repetitive thoughts loop, lowers your vibration so synchronicities, blessings, and intuitive insights have a harder time reaching you. It's like having one foot in the present and the other chained to the past. And now, let's talk about the backpack metaphor, extended visualization. Now, close your eyes for a moment and imagine you are walking through a peaceful forest. The ground is soft beneath your feet. Sunlight filters through the trees and you hear a gentle stream nearby. But on your back is a massive backpack. It's heavy, pressing down on your shoulders. And inside are stones, each one holding a name, a memory, a moment of pain. A stone for the friend who betrayed you, a stone for the relationship that ended without closure, a stone for the dream you had to give up, or a stone for the time you let yourself down. And now, feel the weight of all those stones. Yes, you have to feel it. And now, one by one, Take them out. Look at each stone. Let yourself feel whatever emotions comes, whatever pain, crying, angerness. Think of it and thank it now for what it taught you, even if it was painful. And then in your mind's eye, place it into the nearby stream and watch the water carry it away until it's gone from your sight. And do this until your backpack is empty. Now, lift it again and feel how light it is now. This is what release feels like. You feel lighter, happy, and joyful. So how to release it in real life, step by step. Number 1, awareness. Say to yourself, yes, this pain exists. I have been carrying it. Number 2, permission to feel. Yes, stop running from the feeling. Cry, scream into a pillow, write a letter you never sent, because the energy has to move to leave you. And now number 3, name it. Sometimes saying, this is resentment, this is grief, this helps separate you from the emotion. And number 4, forgive it to free yourself. Because forgiveness is not saying it's okay. It's saying, I release my right to keep this pain alive in me. And lastly, replace the energy. Once you release the old energy, consciously choose what fills that space. Gratitude, love, or simply silence. And here are some common resistance to letting go. Sometimes we cling to our pain without realizing it. We make it part of our identity. We fear that letting go means losing a part of ourselves. But here is the truth. Letting go doesn't erase your story. It just stops letting the pain write the next chapter of your life. So what happens after releasing the old pain, old backpacks? I have seen it again and again. When people release their emotional baggage, things shift fast. They start waking up in the morning with lighter hearts. They feel more present with their loved ones, and life seems to flow instead of feeling like a constant uphill climb. And even your physical health can change because your body is no longer carrying emotional stress in the form of tension, fatigue, or disease. So your challenge for today is, I want you to pick one thing you have been carrying. It could be something big or something small but persistent. And now write it down. Then choose one release method from today and do it before you sleep tonight. And if you are ready to commit, drop this in the comments. I choose to lighten my load. I choose to lighten my load. And here is the beautiful part. When you release the past, you open the door to the present. And tomorrow in day 5, we will talk about living in the present, the secret doorway to higher consciousness. And we will explore why the present moment is not just peaceful, it's a transformational. So make sure you join me. And remember, the full series playlist is linked in the description and pinned comment, so you can watch this journey from the very beginning. Until then, my beautiful souls, may you walk lighter, freer, and ready for the life you truly deserve. I send you love, peace, and healing. Namaste.